ahead and throw this out there. See that? Look at that, man. Just throw it and you go.
Hello guys, so I'm just basically gonna use the Insta360 One R because this area is no fly zone, and I'm just gonna show you, do you really need a drone? So this is my homemade flotation. So if you're gonna go ahead and check it out, and I'll show you what it can do.
You are now entering a no-fly zone.
No fly zone. No fly zone. No fly zone. No fly zone. No fly zone.
What I'm gonna do right now is see if this thing even floats. If it floats, we're good to go. Woo. Right, guy? It's all about adventure. Let's see what we can get from it. And here you go. It floats. Interesting. I got the 360 camera on top of me. There is no fly zone here, guys.
So this is what you can do with the pre-captured on the Insta360 One R.
Yeah, interesting. Just have this flotation here, and you're good to go. What's the video quality on the Insta360 One R? But you know, it should be enough to capture something. And good thing about it.
So this is my homemade flotation, I would say a tripod, and you can make this from a PCB pipe. But the good thing about the Insta360 One R is the fact that it's 360 angle. So if you have like an action camera like a GoPro or I would say Osmo Action or any other out there that is not 360, you can only have this frame. And especially if you are in the water here, it floats. So when you're floating and then you're also, the current is moving around, so it's gonna make your camera go circles. With the Insta360 camera, you don't have to have that problem because everywhere else is gonna capture you. And also you also have this kind of like active track feature that built into it, so it can always track you whatever you do. So I would say, you know, do you really need a drone, or do you really need someone to help you to capture what you need? Not really, especially in a kayak. I mean, it's a hard thing to do. And if you do have the camera mounted just one place, that's it. That's the only thing you can do with the action camera. So the 360 camera fixed that. So now I decided to put my Insta360 camera in the back, and you can see here all I did is put that flotation, the homemade that I made from a PCB pipe, and look at what you can do. You can have the back captured, you know, all the back angle and from the kayak. So that's what I did. And I didn't even secure it, but I already know that, you know, I got a flotation, so it's gonna float, so it ain't gonna problem even though it falls. So just letting you guys know that. But if so, you always want something secured, especially, you know, when you have a camera like this. And well, the flotation that I made, I already know it's gonna float without no problem. You see that? And that's what I'm talking about.
So you can fly a drone here.
So this place here is in Huguenot Park in Jacksonville, Florida. So you cannot fly your drone. There is no fly zone here. So I just use the Insta360 camera, and you can see what it can do. So it can capture me, whatever I need to do. I mean, I just want to go out here and have a good time with my son. do adventure with him, you know, and just capture the moments. And this is what the camera that actually did. So
the camera would be a way to go, because of the fact that, just for instance, the camera start changing position and you don't know where the cameras are, and at least, you know, it will do the whole 360 recording. So I would say it would be a way to go. So now you can just ride around here. Oopsie. Okay, let's go.
So it's really hard, especially when you have your kid with you, or you know, you're just distracted, or you multitasking. So it's good to just have a camera you just turn on, and you don't have to worry about anything. You know, you can just fix it later on in a frame. And this is what this camera can do. And I don't even know exactly where the camera is pointing. All I know that the Insta360 One R has 2 lenses in both sides. So I don't even know where the end of the stitches are. All I did is just like, you know what, the cameras is getting, you can see here the flotation is just, the current is blowing it away, you know. You just go in circles, but I'm just surprised what it can do. That's why I'm just showing it to you guys.
Interesting. We even have it like that, it's not gonna fall. Okay. Okay, let's go. See, I got the camera right there. Yeah. And then you can just have it like that. Push it around you. Yes, it's a cool idea. So if you're gonna go ahead and use a kayak, and you can also make that flotation. But the problem about it is the fact that it floats. But one problem is you're just gonna go circles on you. So a 360 would be way to go camera, because if you have a GoPro or you have the Osmo Action, you know, it's gonna go ahead and turn on you. But yeah. Okay, let's go.
I'm just surprised how easy it is that I don't have to do anything. All I have to do is pre-capture everything when I do editing, and I'm just happy with the result. So I'll definitely recommend, man, for you if you have a kayak or you just want to be outdoor and just want to capture everything.
Go ahead and throw these out there. See that? Look at that, man. Just throw it and you go. Throw and go. Yeah, so you can make this a flotation here. And then you can go again with it. Oops, I missed.
Too bad the underwater's not clear. Would be interesting, but it'd be nice if it's clear, the water.
And just pick it up.
The good thing about it is there's no water spot. You can see it here.
And
I'm
it's
still
waterproof,
clear.
so you don't got no worry.
The water just drains down. So that's a good thing about this camera.